Okay. We are up and running. Oh, let's check the chats real quick. Okay, that works. Oh, let's also get the music going. Do a little bit of this. Works. And this. All right, chat's working. Late start. Sorry. Okay, getting into this. This. Okay. Man, I feel like I might be getting sick. I hope that's not true. All right, so we have 3 achievements done. But I want to do this one, pot of gold. And so I'm going to draw a rainbow. And that's it. Nice. So here's what I'm imagining. We do a little bit of this. We do this like, oh, freeform thing. And then, yeah, this can be like, whoop. Oops, wrong one. Cloud PNG. Cartoon cloud PNG. I don't think this is an actual, yeah, this one will work. Maybe I'll draw my own. Also, how do I change opacity? There we go. Just a little bit of an opacity change on it. Oops. Yeah, let's duplicate this. And then doing that again. Whoops. And then, yeah. Oh, crap. I keep doing that. I'll just do that later. Okay. I'll deal with the rainbow later. Let's do the cloud real quick. Also, these I'm going to change to be yellow. So I need to go grab my yellow color from... Nope. Let's hope it is this bad boy. Is this the one that works? Yes. We'll paste them in here. Oh boy. I grabbed the wrong ones. It's this one and this one. Yes. There we go. Ta-da. All right, so let's work on shrinking it. Scale. In my experience, 35% is what I need. Yep, look at that. And then this one will be, well, no. Duplicate. And then one of them needs to be rotated 180. No, they both need to be rotated 180. But one of them needs to be flipped. Scale, width, negative. Apply. There we go. All right. And so we do this. And then this one. We do a little bit of this. And in fact, you know what? I'm going to go smaller on them. Just for the iconography. Let's go 75%. This one will also be 75. And yeah, so it'll be like this. And there will be a cloud. Okay, so let's get rid of these. Nice, this is looking good so far. No, I'm definitely going to take a picture from the internet for cloud. Cartoon cloud. Come on. Who does this? Like, why is it so hard to find an actual PNG of clouds with the transparent background? You know what I mean? Like, that's not... Cartoon cloud, transparent background. But like then there'll be like, if you see the checkerboard in the background, then it's not an actual transparent background. It has to have a white background. But look, then it doesn't switch to checkers over on the right. So you know it's not actually, like, this is so stupid. That one's transparent. That one's not. It's literally easier to make it myself. Okay, I'll just do new paint layer. I guess, yeah, this is a good spot for it. Let's just, boop. Switch this, go to white. Did I not get a real white? It feels off-white. I mean, I think it's gonna work though. That's the that's the funny thing here. Okay, let's move this up a little bit. And then move this over a little bit like that. And then, yeah, now we'll do the rainbow. Oop. Do this, do a little bit of this action. And then, yeah, just attach the rainbow down here. It'll be like this. Yep, just like that. Let's bring this a little closer and make this a little less aggressive. Oh, that's that one and this one. There we go. I think I'm going to make this a little bit slimmer like that. A little bit bendier maybe. Oh, that's cool that I can just do that. Okay, and then we set the opacity down a little bit. And then pop it behind the cloud. It sucks. All right. So we're going to put it behind the cloud to begin with this time. And now let's rotate it like this. I mean, let's go even bendier. Off the screen like this to about here. And then I just need to go wah, wah, something like that. I think that'll make it look a little bit better. Although that's too far, isn't it? That's not very readable from a distance, and I think it's because of the cloud. Also, the rainbow just is not bendy enough. You feel me? Let's get the actual angle a little bit better. Okay. Something like that has to be correct. You know what I mean? Aha. Interesting. These little paddles. Aha. Okay. It's still not perfect. Okay. I think I like it. 65. That's pretty good. Okay. So we do that, and then what if I like change the opacity on this? No. What if I filter just like what can I do on it to make it? Can I make it like bluer? Colorize. Is blue parsable? It is a bit easier to see, so maybe it's not that I want blue, it's that I want it to just be like a gray. Can I put a border around these? Emboss. I apparently can't do it like that, so let's try. Oh, okay. This one. What if I copy, what if I do this? Can I put a border? The heck? Yeah, the white just completely blends in with the cloud. Should I just put a little border around my cloud? No, okay. Let's just no. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. Let's hide. Ooh, not that one. This one. Ooh, okay, so maybe not on these, but maybe on these. We hide the blur. Aha. That might actually work. Ooh, also I could duplicate this a couple more times. Nope, doesn't work. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Let's just do this like this. And then we will make the cloud a little grayer. I think that looks fine. All right. So there we go. Pot of gold. Pot o' gold. Save. Now we grab the important parts. This, 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 this. And we copy, make a new screen. Oh. Okay, I forgot how I do this. This, this, this. this, copy, paste. There we go. All right, so this is our icon. Export, pot of gold, PNG, save. And then we desaturate it. Oh no, it's a filter, adjust, desaturate. Whoa, that's impossible to read now. It's gonna have to do. I'm not gonna put effort into these desaturations. PNG. Where are you? There we go. Well, I don't know where my pot of gold went. Pot o gold. Save. Okay, so let's undo this. Let's figure out what I did wrong on this export. All supported formats. I don't know where it went. Did I just not click the export button on it? PNG. Pot of gold. Save. Yes. Okay, there it is. I don't know what happened to it before. And it doesn't seem like I overwrote anything, so that's good. Save this, and then let's upload it. Gold, bop. And then pot of gold locked, bop. I've uploaded them, save. Ta-da! We did it. Another stinking achievement. All right, D's combos. What if I take the balls out? One, and then just throw a giant 16x in the middle. And then change the background. I'm going to do that. I'm so lazy. Open recent, balls out. We're going to take this bad boy. And we're going to change the background. So let's slide this. Just slide it over to there. Something like orange. Maybe like this one. Right here. And then we're gonna add some text. And the font that I choose is called... What was it called? Where it starts with an S. Do I have to look this up again? Or was it an R? Oh, it's Rubik. Here it is. Let's go Rubik black point. Probably going to be like 24, something like that. Ta-da! And then, why is this so small? It'll be 16. Oh. Rubik light, black. Yeah, it should look like that. Why doesn't it look like that? What's this? Line height, letter spacing. Can I go negative? Aha, let's try that. It looks so different here than here. You know what I'm saying? Black. Save. It's getting worse. Rubik. Yeah, like why doesn't this look anything like is out there? You know what I'm saying? These don't look the same. Rubik Black 16x. Save. That's just not even the same font. Okay. That's not what it looks like. If I go to Rubik Medium. There we go. That's Rubik. But Rubik Black isn't working. Is it the font size? Could that be affecting it? Like if I go to a bigger font. Oh wait, that's the same font I was at before. No, but then I go to medium. And we're chilling. Well, there's more Rubiks. Let's go. I don't have to use the black, I guess. QRS. There's also extra bold. Does that work? That works. Okay. And then we'll just do, like, make them a little closer together. -5. 4.5. Nope. There we go. And 24. Oh. Yep, that'll work. Okay, save, close. And now transpose. 16x, baby. Should I make it bigger? That's kind of fun, right? Just having a giant 16x. Yeah, that works. All right. Save as. D's combos. And then. Is this going to work? Nope. So I've got to select this. It's not copying. Is it because this is a vector layer? Let me convert it to a paint layer. And then select everything. There we go. We got it. Export as a PNG. Perfect. But this one is D's combos. Save. Yes. Desaturate. Okay, awesome. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to undo this being a vector layer. There we go. And then we'll save it. Okay. So let's upload this one. Okay. I got another one. Yo, what's up, Mos? Nice. Welcome back. I'm making achievements. I don't think I even told you I was doing this. Look at this. You ready? You ready? Boom. Achievements, baby. Unlocked. Beat the game. Combine 2 void balls. 1.9% of players have achieved this because I'm the only one with the build. But yeah, look at this. Right here. These are the ones that I have ideas for. They're all innuendo, of course. So this one is you get a high score. This one you have to lose the game from popping void balls. This one, combo the rainbow. I don't know how possible that one is, actually. Not gonna lie. Also, it's a hidden achievement, so. This one, you have to get up to a 16x multiplier. And then this one, you have to have 16 pink balls in the box at the same time. So that's the next one that I gotta draw. So we're gonna open this guy. This is my template. And I'm going to get rid of the, well, no, I think I'm going to keep the blue one. And we're just gonna, we're gonna make a million of these. Little tiny pink ball. We'll just like rotate it however I want. That might be too small. Yeah, that's good. So we'll do that. That'll be my base. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Okay. So we got 15 of them now. Just a little bit of this here and there. Hey, yo. All right. We've changed your name. Night Owl was here. I like it. How we doing? We're doing great. I got some stuff to show you. 1 sec. I'm gonna try to make this like kind of make sense physically. So I'm making achievements, as you probably know. I can't remember. I think you were on some of my achievement streams. And I've got some new ones today. I made 2 already. So check these out. This is Pot of Gold. Combo the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. And then this one is D's combos. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, I was noticing that too. How do I change that? Can I change that? Because I would much rather people's chosen names show up. Let me check if I can change that. I don't see anything here. Let me see. Oh, it's working on this overlay. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they share a theme. I like it too. All right, last one. Let's get this punched out. I'm just gonna put a bunch of these everywhere. But they can't be touching, because then they combine and ruin it. Put this one right here. Ah. Come on, I gotta be getting to the bottom soon, right? I'm running out of space. Let's do one like this down here. All right, is this the last one? Yeah, that should be the last one. Let's just flip this one upside down too. Maybe not actually. Kind of looks jank. Okay. And then this is the last one up here. Okay, this is a weird one, but that's what it's gonna look like. I think this is totally fine. Save as hanging brain. Okay. Get this, get this. Please. Yes, it worked. Okay. Oh. Saving, and then let's desaturate and save this. All right. Did that work? I think it worked. Boop. Okay. So then now edit. Oh, no, it didn't work. I made a mistake. Dang it. Save as hanging brain PNG. Where are you at? There we go. Locked. That was the mistake. Forgot to rename it. There we go. Oh, except for I just saved it instead of exporting it. All right, we got issues. I'm restarting. Delete. Export. Save that. Yes. And then desaturate. And then export this. Locked. There we go. Look at that. I've got 6 achievements. Most dog. I had a 5th achievement. See, I kind of like named them. I don't know why I did this. But there was a 5th achievement. It was called Testy Testy 123. And let's see if I even have the worksheet for that. I do. One sec. So basically, I decided that that was too on the nose. It was just like score this many points, right? Why is it not letting me draw? Am I not on brush? White? Anyway, I was just like, I mean, it was so funny, and McKay came up with this. But anyway, I was just like, it's too on the nose. Like, I want these to be like, kind of, you have to know. But anyway. Oh, that's what it's wrong. Okay. Yeah, so I've got a few other ideas. I want to do a 10K and a 5K or 15K achievement as well. And then I want this one. I don't know what to call this one. Yeah, like innuendos, but only barely. Yeah, like, I mean, I don't know, right? Like none of these are explicitly innuendo, but then this one is like, what else is a testy? You know what I mean? It's just too obvious. Yeah, this is more like a pun than a innuendo, I guess. But yeah, I've got to come up with these names still. 3 names. And then the last one I have is called the nuts. And this is a hidden achievement that I will not be showing on stream. This will be my secret. But maybe I could make the icon for it today. I got like 15 minutes. I don't know. I actually don't know what I'm going to have it look like. But like the nuts is like, you know, like maybe I would have like cards with the droppy ball logo on them or something, right? Because it's like Texas Hold'em. You got the nuts. Yes, you can look at the global unlocks to figure it out, but I'm probably going to not say what it is. Like what I can do is I could just do, and in fact, you know what, I guess I could just write it up, right? DB, I'll just call it the nuts. And then you can just do this, right? Hidden, save. And then no one knows how to get it. Right? Like you can just see that people got it. You can see what the name is, but you won't know how to get it because I wouldn't have told you. But I guess, you know, maybe that's bad practice. Like maybe people will never go for it because they don't know what it is. Although for what it's worth, I will have achieved it. Like, and so there will be at least one person who achieves it. And so people will say, oh, it's possible. And start looking for it. I don't know. That's my thought. I think it's probably fine to have like one extremely difficult achievement. What's up? Welcome back, Sir Lunchalot. I've got new achievements. I got 6 of them now. I think I'm going to start putting them in the game. We got to find the triggers for them. All right, what is this error that I keep running into? Let's find that file and delete it. Global. Oh. Swap. Ah, come on. There we go. So I'm here. And there's some sort of swap file for my global. Which one is it? It's code. Let's delete this. So is RM a thing? Or is it del? I think it's del. Yep, I just saw it. It was up here. And now it's gone. See, it was right here, the swap file. And now it's not here. Okay, so hopefully that fixes my stupid this thing. Okay, there we go. All right. We're going big. So now, if I go to constants, yep, I got rid of that one. Achievement X. The nuts. And where's my achievement system? I'm just trying to... Oh, paste, there we go. I want to make sure that it's all ready. I can't remember where I got... I'm pretty sure I made the achievement system work pretty well. Yeah, I just have like this achieve function. That'll do it. And then... Yeah, this should be good. Okay, so let me go... Let's pick one. Which one do you guys want to see first? I mean, the combo one is probably the easiest. This one's... this one might be next easiest. Oh, actually, this one's pretty easy too. So it's probably this one, because this one I'll just check if your score, like if your high score is over 5,000, and so like when you log in or when you open the app, it'll just achieve it. And then the 16x. So the 16x one will be tricky because, oh, sorry, this one, 16x, because I will have a hard time replicating it. It's really hard to get a 16x combo. I've seen high combos, but it's only on my like testing, right? Because I can do this. Let's just show it real quick. Like I can just go like this, drop a bunch, and then wow, none of those combined. Yeah, so I can get to like, look, I just got to 10 pretty fast because I can cheat. But I don't know if I can get to 16x with that method. I think I'll have to cheat even more. So yeah, let's do this one. 5,000 points. That's easy enough to test. So I'll go to here. I guess I just go here, and then wherever high score is assigned. This one right here. Oh, there's two places. What are these two places? Load leaderboard. Yeah, so this is where I want to be, but what was that other one? What's this one? Finish game. Oh, so I just set the top 5 first and then I assign high score afterwards. So yeah, basically just right here. I mean, I could even just do, I could just do a setter, right? So whenever high score is set, then I just check if high score is greater than 5,000. Then I achieve. Achievements.achieve. Constants dot, which one was this one? 2. Achievement 2. And that should be done. Oh, right. Setter, I hardly know her. Okay, let's see how it works. So I should just like, when I start the game, I should immediately get it. And then it'll show up here. You ready? Okay, so Steam achievement failed. But it also Steam initialized afterward. Oh. Yes. That is correct. It's because of this. My globals, I have global way before achievements. So let's just set global. Let's just go higher. That's probably not a problem, right? Let me just cheat a little bit here as well. I'm going to make sure that my achievements file doesn't have this in it. little cheaty, but I want to make sure that I get the true experience here. Okay. So now I should start it up and it should say achieved. This is so weird. Did I get it? Oh wait, let's see. It failed. Why did it fail? Because it starts the Steam initialized. Status 0 is what I'm looking for. Beat the game, true. Buster Balls, false. And then I try to achieve this. I bet my code is weird. If Steam set achievement key. I might have named it wrong. Let's see, achievement 2. Buster Balls. Let's just make sure that's correct. I mean, I guess that this is a good time to test if my achievement system works. Fallback achievements, save fallback achievements. Yeah. Why did it fail? Is there like a refresh on this? Just do that. Okay, so it definitely didn't work. But why? It failed again. Yeah. Huh. Where's the documentation on that? Godot, Steam. Does it not give me any info? That's what I'm looking for right now. Set achievement. Yeah, I don't think it does. Where is there some documentation on this? I bet I could go here. Whoa. Maybe this. Set achievement. Yeah, it's just a Boolean. Oh, I know what's up. Okay, I remembered. I have not published these changes. If I zoom out a little bit, it'll be like, hey, there's no published changes. There we go. I can just do publish light, I believe. And then added 6 more achievements. Steamworks. Really publish. Okay. It's just one of those things, you know? Okay, changes are live. Perfect. Let's try this again. And I'm going to do my little, let's get rid of that achievement stuff. Bah. Actually, you know what? I can just delete it, actually. That's fine. Okay. Let's test this again for real. And in fact, I'm going to do a little bit of this action so we can see it happen live. All right, start the game. It failed. Why would it fail this time? Let's try it again. Failed. Oh. It appears that even though I did submit it, it hasn't taken effect like it said it did. Oh. How did the first one work then? Did I hard code it or something weird? I haven't enabled Steam achievements apparently. If I do that and then publish, are we good? Where's my publish? There we go. This app has unpublished changes. Okay, view diffs. What's the difference? Yeah, I've just enabled that. That's it. Okay. Publish to public. Okay. Weird. I don't know how the first achievement worked, if that's the case, that I need to check the achievements box. Was there something fancy that I did the first time? Let's go back here. Sent by client. I don't think I did anything different here. Weird. Did that publish, by the way? I should have added notes, huh? Okay. Okay, well, does it work now? That's the question. Let me destroy this achievements file again, get the raw experience. Yeah, I'll just start the game. Come on. I failed. Yeah, for some reason the achievements aren't coming through. Although, look. This thing right here, I think, is this list from Steam? Let me check. Or maybe it's this one that's from Steam. Yeah, this one's from Steam. So it does have my achievements. So they have been published. Did I accidentally change like the Steam stuff? I mean, it says it's initializing. Oh, actually, no. These are not succeeding. That's my bad. I was misreading this. RET false means that this doesn't exist. So it doesn't exist on Steam's end. I think. Let me double check. Let me check what I'm doing. Load Steam achievements. Yeah, get achievement by the key. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, and then I print it and yeah. And then I print all of them. Okay. Yeah, so both of these are coming from Steam to some degree. But yeah, this means that it's not there. So I wonder what's going on. Does it just take a sec? Does it have to be approved? Well, weird. I thought I knew what I was doing. I was wrong. All right. But that's it for me today. I ran out of time. So I'll be back here doing the same thing tomorrow, trying to get it working. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.